Ate Kat, di mo na sinabi na pagbaba namin ng bus, may paganto pa. Ay. Hello guys, we're walking. As you can see, nasa Paraiso, tawag ito, Mapagmahal Memorial Park. Pagmamahal Memorial Park, no? So here, napakatahimik. You will see. Wow, ganda. I miss the province, no?
Ayun, dapat nakaharap dun dyan.
Gagi. Ayan. So we're walking. Walking. Pababa. At parang may nakita ko si ate. Ayun si ate naglalakad sa dulo. Tingin ko magzuzumba din yan. Diba? Ang lawak nito, dahil. So kung gusto yung bumili ng memorial lot, dito lang.
Wala pa.
Yes. Para sa family nyo in the near future. Alam nyo naman, ayun sila nasa baba. So, still walking.
Pag-akyat, pagod.
Yeah, okay yan. Parang nag-zoom. You can see, ganyan kalawak yung lot. If you're planning to invest in a lot, meron kaming pang family na lot. And then, it's the, yeah, I think so. Sige, stop muna natin yung video.